Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can step-by-step set up your Xiaomi CW400 camera, and also how you can connect it to your phone. So now when you're going to open the camera, what you're going to find there is that you're going to have the adapter and the camera itself. Now what you want to do first, and I want to show you something, is that when you have the camera, this will maybe going to be useful to the future, and you're going to rotate it to like this, to like top. You're going to have this part here where you're going to have the micro SD and reset. So if you have micro SD, I'm going to use a knife here because this is like really difficult to open. This is the first thing I wanted to share with you. And it's not that easy to open at all. You're going to have a reset button. I don't know if you see that. On the top is going to be reset button, and under that you're going to have micro SD where you're going to insert it. So this is something that if you have micro SD that you want to have your things there recorded, then you can use it. So I just wanted to show you the place right there. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll just place it to my adapter. Okay. And now what will happen, look at this. So you're going to find the yellow light. The yellow light means is right now that it's waiting for a connection and to be connected, right? It's awaiting connection. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to install the app. I will show you how it's called. It's called, when you're going to go to Play Store and you're going to write here Xiaomi camera, you're going to have this application. It's called Mi Home. All you have to do is first create an account. I already created my account before recording this video. So what you have to do is like install it Mi Home. And then you're going to be right here when you're going to create your own account. I believe you can accomplish it by yourself to create an account. Now, what you want to do, there are two ways how you can connect it to your device. You can connect it by scanning the QR code, or you can connect it through the Bluetooth. So when you would go to the top right, and here you're going to find add device, scan, or create a smart scene. So I would click like scan here. And if I want to, I can scan it. But I wouldn't recommend doing that only because I had issues with scanning and installing the product. What I recommend for you to do is don't scan it, but use it through Bluetooth. This is just my recommendation. I tried to record this video before through scanning and I had issues with it. But the QR code is going to be right here on the bottom. We're going to use it for connecting the Wi-Fi, but the QR code you have to scan from the bottom one. So now, when I go top right, and I'm going to click add device, it's going to do it through Bluetooth. So you have to turn on the Bluetooth and it's going to automatically show you right here. So I would just press it on it. And then what you have to do is that you have to search for the network. And I'm going to search for mine right here. Okay. Then I'm going to have agree. Next. Connect. And it's connecting right now. And now what you have to do is to like add the QR code, and this is for the Wi-Fi. So it's going to like connect it now it said that the Wi-Fi connection acquired successfully. So with the QR code, I just connected to it, and now this device is connecting to my laptop. Okay. And I can even see right now on my laptop that it's been connected. Now, if you're gonna have issues, see? If you're gonna have issues with connecting, you probably need to use the laptop as a hotspot, your different phone as a hotspot, or you need to use also like extender, because if your router is not working, because mine isn't, therefore I'm connecting through the PC. Now what I can do, I can click here, create a new room, and this is going to be a living room. Okay. Next, this is name. I can change it if I want to. Let's say this would be my office. Okay, next. And display large cars on the homepage. Okay. And do not share it for now. Do not prompt. And now it's going to load. So let's see how it's going to work out. I got no idea. Now agree. And what we can actually find here. So right now it has been connected. And look at this. The camera is working right now. I can rotate the camera. And it's like it should be rotated in a way. So it's like a mirror. But of course, it's like this is how you're going to have it. For example, you would have it installed on your wall. And look at this. So right now, this is how it would be. And look at this. So it works perfectly well. Even the resolution is just amazing. I just wanted to show you how it looks. Okay. Now I will just place it like this. And let's look on what we can actually find here. So now what you can do is you can turn it off. Then you can enable and disable the voice. Then on the top, you're going to have how many kilobytes it takes. Then you're going to have also the video quality. You can have 2.5K. Oh, my camera went off. Or if you want to, you can change the video quality to 360p. Then you're going to have also turn on the spotlight. And then you're going to have that you can have it bigger, right? Now, if we're going to go further, what we can find here on the top right, you're going to have 3 dots. And you're going to have camera settings that you can like change here the night vision settings. That you can like enable it or disable it. And you can have many settings here that you can play around with. And now when we're going to go further, you're going to have home surveillance. You can have it turned on. That you can have like the alarm and all of that. So this is something that you can enable. And now when we're going to go further, you're going to have the surveillance. So all around protection by home surveillance. After home surveillance is enabled, the camera will send notifications immediately when changes are detected in the surveillance area. So this is something that you can, as I mentioned, you can enable that. And to enable it, you can have sensitivity settings. If it's going to be medium, high sensitivity, alarm interval, detection push notifications, all of that you can change. Then you're gonna have a playback. So here you're gonna have a playback of the things, right? And but look at here, this is the cloud, but this is also the SD card. And here you're gonna find some information that you have to use the high class SD card. And here you would find the information regards the SD card. So that's like really good. Then you're gonna have the storage management, where you're gonna have the local SD card and all the files there. And then you're gonna have the time lapse that you can start recording. So this is something that you can also do. Now, as I mentioned, you're gonna have under the camera, you're gonna have the alarm will last for play the sound and the light alarm. I can play it. God damn, that like I didn't expect that, to be honest. So then you're gonna have the record audio. Then you can take a screenshot. So let's say you're gonna see something, you're gonna find an animal there. You can just like press here. Then you can like start recording. See? And I just started recording, and on top left I can see like 2 seconds there, right? So when I would go to the playback, or even to time-lapse, not time-lapse, but storage management, see, I have the 2 seconds right there and the photo. So all the things that you would like picture by yourself is going to see right here and record your picture. So you're going to find it in your storage management. And then if I want to, I can look elsewhere, right? But this is how it would look. So I'm going to have it like this, and I can now rotate. See? So that's how it is. And you can even add a favorite areas. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you on how you can set it up. And I hope it was beneficial. I'm learning how to make this type of tutorials. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you get connected. And let me download comments if you like also a video on how you can install it to the wall, and I can also try that for you. So that's something that I could try for you and how we can install it. So have a great day and goodbye.